How to delete Roblox on PC. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about deleting your Roblox on PC. So now let's get started. So first of all, if you have installed the Roblox application on your device or Roblox Player application on your device, in order to uninstall it, you need to click on the search bar in the bottom left corner of the screen and then type in add or remove programs. Once you're over there, you can scroll down or use the search bar in the top and type in Roblox. Once you find the application, simply tap on it and then tap on uninstall. Select uninstall again to confirm, and the Roblox application will be uninstalled from your device. Or you can find the Roblox player, right click on it, then tap on uninstall, and this will take you to the page of uninstall or change your program. Now from this page, search for Roblox player for test, right click on it and tap on uninstall, and you'll be done. Type in %local app data %/Roblox/logs, hit enter, select all, hit shift plus delete in your keyboard and then tap on yes. Once this folder is empty, you can go to File Explorer, tap on System tab, go to the System tab, scroll down and find the folder for Roblox. Or before you uninstall the Roblox application, right-click on it and select More, then go to Open File Location. Right-click on the Roblox player again and then tap on Open File Location. Scroll down and find Roblox Beta Player and right-click on it and delete it. This way, you will be able to uninstall and remove the Roblox player from your PC. Now to reinstall, simply go to the official page of Roblox, that is roblox.com. Log into your account, scroll down and tap on any game that you'd like to play, then tap on play button, and this will automatically download Roblox in your PC. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.